Thank you first to two friends and brothers, Amadou, Masai Ujiri, for each working in a way differently, coming together and bringing this kind of thing to happen in our country in terms of development of basketball and the wider sport interest from NBA perspective, Giants of Africa Foundation perspective, all serving one big purpose of, as you put it both differently, the young people sitting here of Rwanda, of Africa, have a lot of talent in them, and it doesn't come out until they get such an opportunity as you have provided them. So it's a big thing for us. And I'm sure with time, each keeps discovering what they didn't know they had in them and what we didn't know they had in them. And that's how, even in a wider context, countries develop. It's about opportunity, it's about seizing opportunity, but above all, it's how do they even get these opportunities to actually express themselves and roll out this kind of talent that is in many of our young people. So we really thank you. It's this facility, humble as it is as big as anything you can have in terms of, because it is a spark that is required to light the bigger flame that we want to see develop relating to this sport, to basketball, but it says a lot for other possibilities in other areas. So, and thank you for thinking about Rwanda, associating us with this kind of opportunity, and that will, give opportunity to these young Rwandans to rise to those places that have been known globally, to show the best there is in terms of talent. So I just wanted to say thank you and thank the cooperation of our people and encourage them to continue building on these opportunities. And of course, for the young people, I don't think they are thinking of losing a moment in seizing this kind of opportunity available to them. So, and it is a few who are here, but it speaks volumes to many others who are not here now. But it is an encouragement above all. And, as somebody said, let me limit myself to the sky being the limit. The Minister of Sports told us the sky is no longer the limit, but let's get going. Thank you so much, and we will be happy. We are looking forward to having you again many other times after this, and probably bring many other friends, colleagues, people who have Africa and Rwanda at heart, and this sport at heart as well. So it's a pleasure for me to be here for this moment, to be with you and thank you. So I'm looking forward to future cooperation as well. Thank you. Let me thank the coaches who are here, together with you. Thank you very much for the job well done as well, and for really the support you are giving to this kind of thing. Thank you very much.